Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Liz. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will stuff a portion of my second paycheck of August. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, aloha and welcome. I'm glad that you're here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching and for your support. Okay, so let's get started. We will be cash stuffing a second paycheck of August, and like I've said in the past, I only stuff a portion because each month automatically there are bills and my student loans that gets taken out from my account. So that's why we are only doing a portion of my paycheck. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. But let's go ahead and start counting out the money. So I did go to the bank this morning, and this is my little bank pouch. If you follow me on my Instagram, Stuff Like Liz, you've been seeing that I've been really experimenting with my Cricut maker and I love it so far. I've been doing little things with the vinyl, so I've been making these pouches or envelopes. It's basically just like the cash envelopes, but it's in a bigger size. The size of this envelope is 8x6, and I've also experimented with making the vinyl stickers for my mason jar, and this one is Stuff Like Liz and it has my coffee in it. So I'm actually going to take a sip of my coffee and then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so I hope everybody has been doing well and ready for the weekend. Today is Aloha Friday. Okay, so here's a little breakdown of my paycheck. So I have 3 binders, short-term, long-term, and on-the-go daily binders, and we'll be cash stuffing a total of $440. Okay, so let's go ahead and count out the cash. So altogether, I have 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 90, 410, 20, 30, 35, and $440. Okay guys, I'm back. So my cat Dash was running around the hallway and playing around, making a lot of noise, so I had to calm him down just a little bit, and now I'm back. Okay, so I hope everybody's been doing well. It's Friday. What are you guys doing for the weekend? For me, I do work tomorrow, just half day though, and then it's my boyfriend's dad's birthday today, so we're gonna take him out to dinner tomorrow night, and then Sunday, just, you know, chores, cleaning around the house, laundry, relaxing, and then getting ready for the week again. So all right, let's get started. So we're gonna start with my short-term binder. Okay, so the first envelope we're gonna stuff is bills, and bills will be getting $200. Okay, so altogether, bills has 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 375. Okay. And then golf won't be getting anything this time. Beauty will be getting $20. So beauty has altogether 20, 40, 50, and I am saving to get my hair done one day. I do want to color my hair, so that's what I'm saving beauty for. travel expenses. Travel expenses won't be getting anything this time. And like I said, I am going on a trip next week to see all of my best friends. We're going to Maui. We're going to spend time together. I'm really excited because it's been a few years since we've all been together. And yeah, we're just going to enjoy each other's company. But my flight to and from Maui, I just used my points, so I didn't spend anything for travel, but I will go ahead and count out what we do have. So this will be used for a future trip. So I have 50 and 70 altogether. Okay, next envelope is Friendsgiving, and Friendsgiving will be getting $40. So I'll use two 20s. Oops. So all together, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, and California will be getting $10. So this is for a future trip. So all together, California has 20, 30, 40, $40. We are planning a future trip, hopefully the ending of January. And that is all for my short-term binder. Next, we'll go to my long-term binder. First envelope is emergency, and emergency will be getting $20. So emergency has 100, 200, 220, 240. And this emergency envelope is just in case anything unexpected happens. At least I have some emergency fund to help with whatever that may be. Okay. And then car expenses will be getting $10. So altogether, 20, 30, 40. I do have a safety check coming up next week, Monday. So I will be using this for my safety check. Gifts will be getting $10. Altogether, gifts has 20, 30, 40, 45, $45. Holidays will be getting $10 as well. So altogether, 50, 70, 90, 110, 120. Future will be getting $10. So altogether, 110. Computer will be getting $10. So altogether, $10, $20, $25. Alright, and Lucy and Dash will be getting $10 as well. Alright, so 20, 25, 30. Okay, so that's it for my long-term binder. And we'll go ahead and stuff my on-the-go daily binder. Alright. So, spending money for myself, I won't be giving myself anything. Groceries will be getting its usual $50. Okay. And then eating out will be getting $40. So here's the 40, and that's the last of my cash. And then I do have leftover money for eating out, so I have a few bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all together I'll have $44. 20, 40, 41, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So that's it for the cash stuffing. And if you're wondering, I won't be putting any money towards my 100 envelope challenge. Hopefully next time I'll be able to. All right. And I also wanted to say that I am putting out studio vlogs. So if you don't know yet or haven't seen it yet, yesterday I put out a vlog on this channel, and it's called a studio vlog, and it's basically me just working in the office, prepping my envelopes, meaning I'm cutting out laminate sheets and just pre-cutting a lot of material so that one day my goal is to open an online store that will sell, you know, my cash envelopes and anything budget related and stationery related. So I'm not too sure when that will be, but slowly I am prepping for that. So that's what my studio vlog will be, and I'll link it up in the cards above. Okay, so I think that will be it for today. If you have any questions in the comments, please go ahead and ask me anything that you may have. And I wish you a very good weekend, and I'll see you in the next vlog and cash stuffing video. Bye everyone.